Hey Subi fans, it's Angie. I am using my cell phone for recording, so it's not a high-grade GoPro camera. Sorry guys, that's all I can do. Anyways, back roads. It's snowing. We're in Vermont, and I have my Subaru Ascent. And my Ascent is just plowing through the winter. I work in the medical profession. So I have to have a vehicle to get me to where I need to go. I don't get the option of work from home, or I get a call out because of weather. So that kind of stinks. I'm forced to go to work even though it's a crappy snow day, but it is Vermont, so that's very typical. So far on my Ascent, I have about 14,000 miles. I got my Ascent the first week of July. So I know that's quite a bit of mileage in a short period of time, but I do drive a lot. But it's held up pretty nicely. Alright, sorry about that. Okay. So I just turned onto a main road here, and it's kind of slushy out. It's not very pleasant, but I'm not really slipping. I do have regular stock tires on my Ascent. I don't have any winter tires on it. So it's been handling pretty well. So as you can see, lots of snow. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update for my Ascent and winter driving. So if you guys are considering getting this vehicle and you live in New England, this is a very, very sturdy SUV. Any Subaru, is fantastic in the winter time, but this doesn't slip as much as my Crosstrek used to. And my Crosstrek right here, like this hill, coming up this hill, my Crosstrek used to really have trouble. But with the Ascent, it's got a turbo in it, and it just glides up the hill. So I love it. Anyways, stay safe if you're driving in this lovely winter weather. Hang tight and enjoy the winter. Thanks everybody. See you later.